Recently, I decided to import this personal item from China using Pinduoduo shopping app. Right here with me, I'm going to unbox to you guys and see what I have right here. Okay, so let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see what I got right here when I import from China using Pinduoduo shopping app from China to Nigeria. So let's check it out. Okay. So right here, just like what you see right here, you can see my name right here, Rafiu. Okay, that is my personal parcel. So let's check it out. The total pieces of the item we have here is 8 pieces. All right, so which simply means that this item was bought from different 8 suppliers on Pinduoduo shopping app. So right here you see this is my name Rafiu and 8 pieces. So which simply means that this item was bought from different 8 suppliers. So let's check it out first and see if this item is actually comprised 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let me bring out all the right here. Okay, so what I have right here is triple stand. We have about 3 triple stand right here. So you can see this is a triple stand for studio lights. So let me so right here we have the studio light right here, and it comes with one remote right here. So it's about 2 different studio lights. This is the second light with another remote, so you can see it right here. And another one we have here, let's check on something here and here, and so right here we have oh wow, so this is my children brush, teeth brush. That's what I have here. And right here I have another thing here. Let me check. So we need to see if this is actually what we order. So right here we have a box of, let's check it out. Wow, so this is the set of toy. Everything was in package right here. This is about 250 pieces we have right here. So let me cover it back. Okay, and right here we have another thing here. Let me check. Wow, cutting, so you can see right here. And we have another thing here. Let me check it out. Wow, so we have baby Sunk Magic Practical Copybook age 3+ for prep school maths. So we have in package about 4 different books with ink and the pen. So we have that one right here. So this is the studio light hang. We have that one here, and let's check on what we have right here. So right here we have the blue hoodie. Right here. Let's check it out. Wow. So check out the quality right here. So you can see it right here. So this is the blue hoodie right here. So check it out. Last one. So right with me here we have another thing. So let me check out. Wow, so this is children balloon right here. This should be about, we have about 50 pieces right here. So this is part of what you procure from Pinduoduo shopping app. So my baby wants to have it. Let me do it again. So this is what we try to purchase from. These are from different suppliers. So you can take one. Okay, you take your own. So this is, you can purchase all these from different suppliers, just like what I did right here. You can either use 1688 or Pinduoduo or Idlefish or any Chinese e-commerce platform. What you need to understand is that you need to know how everything works. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more importation business tutorial like this. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, or on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.